Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Okay, this video here I'm creating for those that class of 2019, yeah, especially for AA class and then BIM class. Uh, First of all, I would like to give my apology first. Yeah, I'm really sorry because I cannot attend the class here based on the schedule that you guys had. And this video here, it will be the first meeting of your guys' subject here for the curriculum and then material development. Yeah. And for this subject, curriculum and material development, yeah, uh, the aim of learning curriculum and then material development, you guys need to learn about the concept of curriculum, yeah, and then also learn about each type of curriculum, and then learn about the learner, yeah, about the student characteristics, and then also you guys will learn also about the basic competence, yeah, when you guys learn about English language, or when you try to teach your student about English language, yeah. And then curriculum here, if it is in the general definition or in a general overview, we call curriculum here is guidance, yeah. It is a path that we have to understand, yeah, that we have to comprehend as a teacher, so we can start with our basic knowledge about curriculum and then try to implement the curriculum in teaching and learning process. Yeah, and then there was the curriculum, and for the second one, here is about material development. For the material development, here consists of the teaching and learning material. It means what kind of the learning material that you're going to provide for the students, and then you're going to choose the strategy, and then also the method, approach, and then learning model that you're going to use. Okay, when you'll be the teacher when you try to teach your student about English language. Yeah, and then on that one, the material development here also starting with what we call by syllabus. Yeah, a syllabus, and then also lesson planning, or in the bahasa, maybe you guys familiar with what we call it by RPP, yeah, lesson planning, yeah, and then after that one, how are you going to build or develop the assessment process, and then reporting the assessment process, and also we did Vantage, yeah, and then a contextual approach in teaching and learning, yeah, and then for your guys information, you have to notice here curriculum and then also the material development here, it is referred to the subject that you guys take. Yeah, the subject here is for English language and learning. So when we mention about curriculum, yeah, it should be about English language learning curriculum. And then when we call or when we mention about the material development, yeah, for the material development here, it should be, yeah, it is about uh, English language learning, and then also with the learning material related with English language. Yeah, so curriculum and material development, that was the name of the subject, but this one referred to English language teaching and learning. Yeah, and then after completing this subject, yeah, by the end of the semester here, all of the students will have their comprehension, yeah, and then they will have their knowledge, their skill, yeah, their proper skill about curriculum, and then also about syllabus, and then about lesson planning, yeah. And the main point, I guess, when you guys learn about curriculum and then also material development, you guys will learn about lesson planning, yeah. And then lesson planning here, it will be refers also to the subject that you guys will take for the next semester. It will be about the micro teaching. Yeah, that will give you a basic or a fundamental things here before you're going to do your teaching practice. Yeah, curriculum and material development, yeah, will help you to understand how that you're going to plan a lesson. Yeah, how that you're going to do the teaching and learning process for your students. Yeah, and then after passing from this subject, you guys will be able to join the next subject we call the micro teaching, and then this subject here, this will be one of the subject that you guys need to learn, yeah, before you're going to do the practice, teaching practice. Yeah, and for curriculum and material development also, you guys will learn about the different types of curriculum, and then the aims, yeah, the aims of curriculum, and then also how to implement here the English language curriculum based on your student, yeah, based on the target of your learners. And last one, for the curriculum and then material development, what kind of the project, what kind of the tasks that you're going to create. Inshallah, the tasks here, it will be a problem-based project, and then also a case-based project. And then your final project for the curriculum and material development, you're going to explain here, starting with making a description about curriculum, and then also with that one, talking about syllabus, and then move to how did we conduct a lesson plan. Yeah, that will be all project that you guys will do while joining this subject. And then last one, for the learning model or for the teaching strategy that we are going to use, inshallah, we will have a discussion, yeah, an online kind of discussion, maybe face-to-face meeting using Zoom or using Google Meet or using Microsoft Team, yeah, and then we will try to discuss about several topics, about all topics that we are going to learn for curriculum and material development. Yeah, and then beside that one, beside the teaching and learning using digital application, is also I'll try to make some of the video, and then you guys have to watch the video, and then I'm gonna need you guys to give a response, and then giving me the question, giving me your guys' perspective about the topic that I already explained. Yeah, and then it will be an individual kind of project, or it will be an individual kind of assignment. So each of you guys will try to give me your feedback, your response, yeah, after watching my explanation. And then this video, this first meeting, it will be also the first trial, I guess, for you guys. I'll try to give you a chance here. You're going to give the feedback. You're going to give the feedback about this description of uh, the subject, and then after that one, that's okay. You want to pose the question, or you want to give your perspective about this subject, or any kind of suggestion, that will be okay. Yeah, I guess that will be clear and a simple kind of description for this subject for the curriculum and then material development. Yeah, one more time, by the end of this semester, you guys will have your comprehension related with the curriculum, and then also with the material development, with the syllabus, and then also with the lesson plan. Yeah, so it will be easy for you guys to get the next subject, yeah, the next subject for micro teaching, and then also joining your guys teaching practice. Yeah, that's all, I guess, what you can deliver for the first meeting of curriculum and material development. Yeah, and as I uh, told you guys, you have to give the respond, you have to give the question or perspective or suggestion for this video, yeah. And then the last, wallahu muwaffiq wal hadi wa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.